A man named Paul Pollock wrote a really neat book called Out of Poverty lately. And there he describes the fact that all the world's engineering is done for the 10% wealthiest of the world. What about the other 90%? If the other 90% will start designing and engineering the way the first 10% did, if they desire from the earth what we've taken from the earth, the globe will not be able to sustain itself. We can't sustain all the trees being cut down, all the mines being developed in the same way that we've done for the last 100 years here in the West.
Engineers Without Borders is an international NGO that is in about 47 countries around the world, looking at issues such as water, sanitation, energy, shelter, transportation, health.
The idea is that our students, together with faculty, develop appropriate engineering and sustainable engineering solutions to problems that we have assessed in developing communities. Now, we do this together with the community. We base it on the capacity of the community. What can the community sustain by themselves? What can they maintain? What can they fix?
Mark and I are both engineering professors. We are interested in the same field of studies. And so we decided to put together a summer class here at the Technion. So I came with about 15 US students, and we have about 15 Israeli students here. And each team is responsible for addressing the needs of a real village, a real community.
It's been really cool to work with the Israelis because we formed great bonds and we've started to understand how the world is a global family versus just something of our own.
We've worked in the Negev Desert here in Israel, in Bedouin communities. We've done some wonderful work in Nepal where we've developed a biogas reactor. A bioreactor is basically a closed compact cylinder in which we can put cow manure, human waste. Instead of having that go into the water and destroy their water sources, it goes into this reactor and produces over time, about a month, methane gas. And this methane gas can be used for cooking, for heating, rather than cooking on firewood. It's interesting, in Nepal, the kids go to school at 10:30 in the morning. Why? They're out in the morning collecting wood with their parents. So these types of solutions are not just attacking the problems of water and energy, but it's also a social thing. For me, EWB is a teaching tool. The idea is to give our students some tools that they're not getting in their standard engineering education. For instance, they're not getting a social conscience. The second aspect, hand-on work, something they can't get in other places. And the third thing is the fact that I want to generate leaders. Engineers and scientists are left out of shaping our society. This type of program and project that we do brings out the leaders in our engineering society.
Israel is really at the crossroads of civilizations. There's a unique opportunity here for young people from all over the world to learn about a global type of engineering. And this is a unique opportunity here for the Technion to make a huge impact in making the world a better place.
Creep, 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 creeping along that mountain road. Dedicated to you, dear little potty children with no clean water or gas to cook on.
I don't want anyone to get the wrong impression. The stuff that we do here at EWB, me, together with the students, together with the other staff here, is fun. We're doing it because we enjoy it. It has all sorts of positive spin-offs. And you know what? When you go and work in a Nepali village and you see the kid in the smiling face, it works, it does something to you, and you get infected with wanting to do this work, and you do it, and you do it, and the students start to do it, and it spreads by itself, and that's what we're trying to do. Get this thing to spread.